Hi there! Would you like to increase your organization's productivity on all levels and get the most out of your ordering experience?
Then join us on Tetra Pak Services e-business, where you can place an order or a quotation in just a few clicks.
It's a fantastic tool to keep a seamless collaboration within your organization.
We have different user profiles to match the company structure.
For those who want to browse around,
check product price, confirms its availability,
and for those who need to place a quote or an order.
The collaboration can then happen between all user profiles.
By sharing cards, activating them, and converting quotations to orders.
And all have access to the same information and tracking possibilities.
We ensure that our customers can choose sustainable delivery options and plan their orders in advance to minimize CO2 emissions.
To know more about Tetra Pak Services e-business, go to our homepage.